Welcome to day 4 of our video. Today we are moving beyond simple chatbots to explore AI agents, fine-tuning, and multimodal models. We'll cover what AI agents are, their core components, multi-agent systems, and real-world examples. Then, we'll dive into fine-tuning, including LoRA and PEFT techniques, before concluding with the latest in multimodal AI. So what are AI agents? Unlike traditional chatbots that just respond to text, an agent can think, plan, and take actual actions. They use tools to complete tasks and independently solve multi-step problems. For instance, while a chatbot suggests a website for flight bookings, an agent can actually search, compare options, and complete the booking for you. An AI agent is built using 4 key components. First is LLM Reasoning, which allows the model to understand situations and make decisions. Second is tool calling, such as using calculators or APIs. Third is a memory system to recall context. And fourth is planning, where complex multi-step tasks are broken down into manageable steps. Multi-agent systems take this further by creating a team of agents, each with specific roles. They pass results to one another to complete complex workflows. Frameworks like LangChain, LlamaIndex, and AutoGen facilitate this. A great example is a content pipeline, where one agent researches, another drafts, and a third edits and fact-checks, all fully automated. We see AI agents at work everywhere. Coding agents like GitHub Copilot can write, test, and debug code. Research agents synthesize data from multiple sources into reports. Customer support agents resolve queries end-to-end, rather than just providing FAQ answers. Meanwhile, operations agents automate repetitive tasks like scheduling and data entry. Sometimes, a generic model might struggle with specific domains or tones. That is where fine-tuning comes in, the process of training a model further on your specific data. It involves instruction tuning, dataset preparation, and evaluation. A fine-tuned model becomes much more precise, naturally understanding your business's unique language and style. Retraining an entire model is costly, which is why we use techniques like LoRA and PEFT. These allow us to fine-tune only a few extra layers, rather than the whole model. This approach is up to 90% cheaper and much faster, making it possible for smaller teams and startups to create their own custom, production-quality AI models. Finally, we have reached the era of multimodal AI. These models go beyond text, capable of understanding and generating images, audio, and video simultaneously. Interfaces are becoming more natural, mirroring human interaction. For example, a doctor can upload an X-ray to an AI, and it will analyze both the image and the text to provide a meaningful answer. To recap today's video, AI agents can perform actions, whereas chatbots only talk. We learned that agents rely on reasoning, tools, memory, and planning. We explored multi-agent systems for complex workflows, the importance of fine-tuning for domain-specific tasks, the efficiency of LoRA and PEFT, and the power of multimodal AI.